Step into the enchanting world of Hoi An, where ancient traditions blend with modern charm. Join us as we uncover the hidden treasures, vibrant lantern-lit streets, and exquisite culinary delights that make Hoi An a true gem of Vietnam. Here are the best things to do in Hoi An. Number 11. Hoi An's Old Town. Hoi An's Old Town is a testament to Southeast Asian history and culture, with its well-preserved architecture and charming streets. As you meander through this UNESCO-recognized historical trading town, covering a sprawling 75 acres, you can't help but feel like you've traveled back in time. But Hoi An's Old Town is more than just a visual delight, it's a culinary haven too. Don't miss the chance to savor traditional Vietnamese cuisine at local eateries. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not take a cooking class? Learn the secrets behind those tasty dishes and bring the flavors of Vietnam back home with you. Number 10. The Japanese Bridge. When you're in Hoi An, don't miss the chance to visit the famous Japanese Bridge. This historic bridge is a photographer's dream, offering a blend of heritage, cultural diversity, and architectural beauty. It's the perfect spot to snap incredible photos that showcase the essence of this vibrant city. As you explore Hoi An's Old Town, make sure to take a walk along the riverbanks and meander through the enchanting lantern-lit alleys. These picturesque settings provide even more opportunities for capturing breathtaking shots. But remember, the Japanese Bridge is the star of the show. It represents the fusion of Vietnamese, Chinese, and Japanese influences and stands as a symbol of Hoi An's captivating history. Number 9. My Son Ruins. Get ready for a journey through time at My Son Ruins. These partially ruined Shiva Hindu temples, built by the revered kings of the Champa civilization from the 4th to the 14th centuries, are an absolute must-visit. Designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this historical gem offers a glimpse into ancient architectural techniques and the rich cultural heritage of Vietnam. Located just a short drive from Hoi An, the My Son Ruins are surrounded by breathtaking natural beauty, with a majestic Cat's Tooth Mountain providing a picturesque backdrop. Number 8. Hoi An's Night Market. The Hoi An Night Market is a hotspot for locals and tourists alike, brimming with lively energy and local charm. Wander along Nguyen Hoang Street and explore the diverse offerings of over 50 vendors. From trendy clothing and dazzling jewelry to unique handicrafts and delightful souvenirs, you'll find it all at wallet-friendly prices. As the sun sets, the market transforms into a gorgeous wonderland, with colorful lanterns casting a magical glow along the riverfront. Treat your taste buds to mouth-watering street food like banh mi sandwiches and authentic Vietnamese coffee, all while observing the vibrant atmosphere. Number 7. Cham Islands. If you seek a more thrilling adventure beyond Hoi An's Old Town attractions, look no further than the Cham Islands. Located off the coast, these islands offer a perfect chance to enjoy Vietnam's stunning marine life. Whether you're a seasoned snorkeler or a newbie, the Cham Islands cater to all levels of experience. When you visit, make sure to take advantage of the various activities available. Join a tour that includes snorkeling and swimming, and perhaps even some island hopping. You can easily rent snorkeling gear or scuba diving equipment on site at affordable prices, so you don't need to worry about bringing your own. Number 6. The Lantern Market. Hoi An is famous for its enchanting Lantern Festival, which takes place every full moon. During this festival, the city streets are illuminated with colorful lanterns, creating a magical and vibrant atmosphere. As part of the festival, the Lantern Market emerges, filling the streets with a lively array of vendors, food stalls, and traditional performances. At the Lantern Market, you can find a variety of handmade lanterns crafted from silk or paper, available in different shapes, sizes, and colors. These lanterns are not only decorative, but also hold cultural significance in Hoi An, symbolizing luck and happiness. The market also offers a wide range of local handicrafts, textiles, clothing, accessories, and souvenirs for you to explore and purchase. Number 5. Hoi An Memories Show. When in Hoi An, you simply can't miss the Hoi An Memories Show. It's the largest open-air visual art performance in the country, boasting a cast of 500 talented dancers and actors. This show takes you on an enthralling journey through Hoi An's rich history and culture. What sets it apart is its mind-blowing visuals. Prepare to be dazzled by traditional music and dance, brought to life with vibrant lights, attractive fireworks, impressive special effects, and unbelievable acrobatics. Additionally, the park itself offers a delightful mix of historical architecture and whimsical miniature villages, creating a magical ambience found nowhere else in Southeast Asia. By the way, click the links in the description for recommended tour operators that will enhance your Hoi An experience and save you valuable time and effort. Number 4. Cha Quay Vegetable Village. If you're interested in ecotourism or want to experience Vietnamese farming traditions, head straight to Cha Quay Vegetable Village. This charming farming community sits between the Old Town and An Bang Beach, offering a unique blend of nature and culture. Take a tour of the working farm and learn the secrets of farming from the friendly locals who are proud of their expertise. The village's peaceful atmosphere, coupled with its proximity to the Coco River, provides a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Number 3. Phu Chien Assembly Hall. As you step foot on the Phu Chien Assembly Hall, you'll be transported to a world of beauty and significance. Built in 1690, this idyllic spot is a treasure trove of religious monuments, architectural wonders, and traditional craftsmanship. As you approach the grand gates, adorned with intricate details, you'll enter a lively courtyard adorned with colorful fountains. The sight alone is enough to leave you in awe. But the Phu Chien Assembly Hall isn't just visually stunning, it offers a glimpse into the local culture through its unique architecture and fascinating history. Open from 8 AM to 6 PM daily, you can take your time to explore every nook and cranny of this remarkable spiritual destination. Number 2. Take a boat ride in a basket boat. A boat ride in a basket boat is a must-try experience when visiting Hoi An. It's one of the top things to do in the area, and for good reason. As you glide through the coconut forests of Kam Thang Coconut Village, you'll be captivated by the stunning natural beauty that surrounds you. But it's not just about the scenery. This activity offers a unique chance to connect with the local fishermen and learn about their fishing industry. You'll gain valuable insight into the daily lives of the locals, their traditions, and the close relationship with the waterways. Number 1. Day Trip to Da Nang. If you're visiting Hoi An, a day trip to Da Nang is highly recommended. This dynamic city offers a mix of urban and natural attractions that cater to different interests. If you love mountains, don't miss the Marble Mountains for jaw-dropping views. Beach enthusiasts can lounge on the golden sands of My Khe Beach, feeling the gentle sea breeze. You may also want to consider touring Ba Na Hills, a charming hill station turned theme park with cable car rides and picturesque valleys. Moreover, it also houses various attractions like French-style gardens, amusement parks, wax museums, and more. For more things to do in Da Nang, click on this video.